Okay, so this is a different type of question that is making sure you understand how to use coordinate points. So let's see how you did. Determine the coordinates for G prime if everything was translated 4 units up and 6 units left. And then they want you to go ahead and draw the new figure. So let's just go ahead and translate everything. 4 units up, 6 units left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is where G prime is, so that's the question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is X prime. 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's U prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is Q prime for this irregular shape. Like that. Okay, so I translated it. Now G prime is located, change the color, here, and that is the point. I do my X first, -2 and positive 1, 2, 3, 4. So G prime is now at -2, 4 to answer the first part of the question.